So here it is, my lower dishwasher rack from my Kenmore, and it has, of course, the rust issues that I think they all get eventually. And I thought, oh, I know what I'll do. I'll just go on eBay or wherever and spend $50 and buy a new one. Wrong. They want $250 for these things. One of them said $450. It was ridiculous. So anyway, I'm going to spend some time repairing this. Most people, you get a Dremel and you grind away the rust and you put some of that re-rack on, which I'm going to do, but I think I might have to do some welding to fix this. So anyway, here goes. Yeah, this whole area is pretty rusted, and these are just, that one's okay. That one, I think I'm going to actually weld a new piece in here. So. So, here's how it turned out. These four, let's see, right here. These are the ones that I repaired. And, you know, they look okay. They're a little lumpy. I could have ground them down carefully and when I welded and tried to get them to be perfect, but it's a dish rack. And there's no rust anywhere because I covered it with the re-rack goop, white goop. Probably did somewhere between 3 and 5 coats depending on which part of it was. And we'll see how long it lasts. Will it last a month? Will it last 6 months? 2 years? 1 year? I'm not really sure, but anyway, it's better than it was.